Construction site, huh? How about I make myself at home? I gotta be careful on this construction site. I know these guys will be moody.
I don't want trouble with you.
I don't have trouble, man. Okay, there it is. Wait a minute. Instead of going to the top of the building, can I go to the top of the crane? Can I fall on my face? Yes. Oh no. Oh, if I can get in the top of the crane up here, shall be glorious indeed. Be careful. Don't fall. Don't fall. How do I get even higher? Oh, there's another. Yep, there's a ladder here. How do I get up there? Oh, yep, go up there. Go up. More ladders. Higher. That way it'll be funnier when I fall off the very top. Because we all know I'm going to. Get up here. Can I get... Oh! Monkey! Careful! We all know I have to jump, right? What was that? All lucky I have more pressing issues somewhere else. Oh no, why? Why? Perfect, see, I wanted to be down here. Yep. That one taillight was killing me. I had to break it real quick, that's all. Something's wrong with the steering. It's not handling like it was before I fell 10 stories. My car's still faster than half the cars on this game, even with one tire gone. I don't care. We go on. Okay, I did that on purpose. I admit it. Top secret base or something? Los Santos government facility. You gonna let me go in? Is this okay? No one has sounded an alarm yet. Okay. Of course not. Look at my car. Of course I work for the government, right? I make so much money. Can I go in? Oh my God, look at the parking lot. They do think I work here because of my car. Oh, you fools. Here, I'm going to find all your cool stuff and I'm taking it. Where's all the top secret stuff? I want it. I want all your stuff. Let me in. They are going to let me in. Why they just let me in? This feels like a trick now. There's always free cheese in a mousetrap, you know? Ladders. See, ladders are always helpful. Yep, see? And there's another ladder. Oh, yeah, this is going to lead to somewhere good, I can tell. Oh, good. A Black Ops helicopter. Okay, on the catwalk. Oh, yeah, I did it. Tell your helicopter goodbye, fools. Helicopters are the bane of my existence. In any video game, I can never fly a helicopter, ever. So this can only end in tears. Whoa, whoa, no! Don't jump out! Oh! I totally didn't do that on purpose. I was trying to fire a rocket launcher. Look at that parking job. Perfect. Haven't been to the shooting range for a while. I'll just... Someone should fix that. Head on into the shooting range. Oh no, I called the cops. I don't even know how to do it. Come here, you little Tupperware car. So long, Tupperware car, you're terrible. If those cops come around that corner, I'm going to have big trouble. Oh boy, he's right there. He's right on the other side of the wall. Oh, and he gave up. That was so close, boys. Looking for me, sir? Look at me. I'm being a general nuisance in the road, too. Rah! Look at me. I do what I want. Where'd he go? Okay, he was obviously not interested in my hijinks.